Animal Dad Jokes Compilation 4. How can you tell which rabbits are getting old? Look for the gray hairs. What did the farmer say when it started raining ducks and chickens? That's some foul weather. What did the kind kitten donate to the Red Cross? First aid kit, 10 of them. What do ducks get after they eat? A bill. What does a cow say during an earthquake? My milkshakes. What do rabbits eat for breakfast? IHOP. What do you call an alligator who solves mysteries? An investigator. What do you call a group of rabbits hopping backwards? A receding hairline. What do you call shaving a crazy sheep? Sheer madness. What do you get from a pampered cow? Spoiled milk. What is a rabbit's favorite dance style? Hip-hop. What is the most musical part of a chicken? The drumstick. What kind of ties do pigs wear? Pigsties. Where did the cow want to go on Friday night? To the movies. Where in outer space do bunnies go after their wedding? On their bunny moon. Why are cats good at video games? Because they have 9 lives. Why did the fly live longer than the frog? Because the frog croaked at night. Why is soccer or football the favorite sport of ducks? Because they like foul games. Why was the duck such a bad doctor? Because it was a quack. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more jokes for you.